In today's fast paced world, efficient project management is the key to success. Say hello to Microsoft Project, the ultimate solution for simplifying complex tasks and delivering results on time. Microsoft Project is a comprehensive tool designed to help individuals, teams, and enterprises manage projects of any scale. From planning to execution, it provides the structure you need to stay on top of your goals. Plan visually with Gantt charts, the heart of Microsoft Project. Easily assign tasks, dependencies, and visualize your timeline. Break down your project into manageable tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and track progress all from one intuitive interface. Collaborate effortlessly with integration into Microsoft Teams, share updates, discuss challenges, and solve issues without leaving your workspace. Track your project performance with customizable dashboards. Create detailed reports to communicate progress, budgets, and resource utilization to stakeholders. Ensure every resource is used efficiently. Microsoft Project helps you balance workloads, predict bottlenecks, and allocate tasks effectively. No matter your industry, Microsoft Project adapts to your unique needs, whether you are organizing a product launch, managing IT rollouts, or overseeing large scale construction. This tool is designed for everyone. Join millions of professionals who trust Microsoft Project to save time, reduce errors, and deliver exceptional results. Leverage the power of the Microsoft ecosystem from Excel to Power BI. Microsoft Project works seamlessly with the tools you already use. Getting started is easy. Choose the plans that's right for you, sign up, and begin transforming your project management experience today. Are you ready to take your projects to the next level? Visit microsoft.com/project to explore features, pricing, and success stories. Let Microsoft Project empower your journey to success.